Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to fix battery drain on the Samsung Galaxy A57. So there are a few things you can do to improve your battery so it doesn't drain as quickly. So the first thing that we're going to do is go to settings, then scroll down to battery, and scroll down again until you see the battery usage section. Here we can tap on View Details, and then scroll down again and see which apps are using the most battery, for example, in the background or anywhere else. So let's say you have an app right here. This app isn't really that important, but let's say you have, for example, Spotify using up the most battery. And what we can do is disable the background activity of that app. And to do that, we need to click on the app right here, scroll down, and enable background usage limits. And here you have two options, like put to sleep and put in deep sleep. Deep sleep means that the apps will never run in the background, and the notifications you get from those apps might not be coming through. But just put to sleep means that the app will run in the background sometimes just to update and make sure you get all of the notifications and things like that. So just select the option that you need, and then you can exit out, and that option will be saved, and the battery percentage will be, or battery drain will be significantly decreased. The next thing that we can do is just to try to restart the phone. So after you've done all of the, after you've changed all of the settings that you want, you can just restart your phone by holding the power button and volume down buttons at the same time until this menu pops up. Then we are going to hit restart and then tap this icon again to restart your phone. And once it's restarted, all of the basically pre-saved settings on your phone will be reset, and that might improve the performance of your phone. And that is pretty much it for this video. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.